Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into your school Google account and opening Google Classroom. Once done, open the Meet link for your class. Make sure to grant microphone and camera permissions, choose the correct devices, and test audio quickly. Next, create a meeting immediately or schedule one in Google Calendar, adding the class and time. This gets the session started so students receive the link. Once scheduled, check Join Info and Classroom Announcements to notify participants. Once participants arrive, you control the flow. Admit or remove people, mute everyone when noise rises, and manage chat for questions. Use screen share to present slides, choose a specific tab to share system audio for videos, and highlight important content by pinning or spotlighting a presenter. If required, start recording so absent students can watch later, and enable captions to support accessibility. These steps keep your session focused and make content easy to review afterward. To finish, stop recording, end the meeting for everyone, and immediately post the recording and resources into Google Classroom so students can access them. Download attendance and any files you used, then assign follow-up work with clear deadlines and feedback expectations. If something goes wrong, audio or video fails, first reload the Meet tab, then switch input devices, or ask participants to join by phone dial-in. This quick troubleshooting usually restores participation without delaying your post-class tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.